Hello viewers, welcome to Bhavya's Learning Planet. India is one of the youngest nations in the world with about 65% population under 35 years of age. Youth. The youth are indeed the most dynamic and vibrant segment of the population in any country. They are the future of a country. Swami Vivekananda conveyed his ideas directly to the people, especially to the youth. You cannot believe in God until you believe in yourself. He rightly said, whatever you think, that you will be. If you think yourself weak, weak you will be. If you think yourself strong you will be. So it is appropriate that birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda is observed as National Youth Day to rekindle the eternal message of this great patriot and son of India. Let's begin. National Youth Day is known as Yuva Divas or Vivekananda Jayanti. It is celebrated on 12th January every year. It is the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda. He was born on 12th January 1863 in a Bengali caste family of Calcutta. In 1984, Government of India declared this day as National Youth Day. Since 1985, the event is celebrated throughout the country every year. His father's name was Vishwanath Dutt and mother's name was Bhuvneshwari Devi. He died on 4th July 1902 at the age of 39 in Bellur Mutt, West Bengal, India. His childhood name was Narendranath Dutt. He was a Hindu monk, greatest spiritual and social leader and youth icon of India. Let's talk about the purpose of this day. The purpose of this day is to spread philosophy and ideals of Swami Vivekananda and to create awareness amongst people, a youth, about the importance of their right in India. What happens during this day? Youths take out a procession, speeches, music, youth conventions, seminars, yogasanas, presentations, essay writing, recitations, sports, events are organized. National Youth Day is celebrated at many centers of Ramakrishna Mission Mutt. Ramakrishna Paramhans was his guru. Vivekananda founded the Ramakrishna Mutt and the Ramakrishna Mission. He was best known for his speech began with words Sisters and Brothers of America in 1893 Chicago. Swami Vivekananda was a great source of inspiration for the Indian youth. These are few facts about Swami Vivekananda. If you like our effort, then support us by subscribing our channel and hit the bell icon for further notification. Thank you.